Traveling overseas often comes with the hidden cost of currency exchange and high fees on international transactions. YouTrip stands out as a smart solution, offering competitive rates and minimal charges that make managing your money abroad seamless. With YouTrip, you can load multiple currencies onto a single account and use them worldwide without the typical bank or card fees. The exchange rates provided are highly competitive, often matching or beating rates at traditional banks and currency exchange counters. This means every dollar you carry goes further. Using YouTrip is straightforward. Before traveling, you can top up your account in your home currency and convert it into the currencies of your destination at rates displayed in real time. These rates are updated throughout the day, giving you a clear advantage over traditional card networks that often apply hidden margins. When paying at merchants overseas or withdrawing cash at ATMs, YouTrip automatically selects the currency loaded in your account, eliminating unexpected conversion fees. This ensures transparency and control over your spending, and it's particularly beneficial for travelers visiting multiple countries. YouTrip also provides digital tracking through its app, allowing you to monitor your transactions in real time. You can see exactly how much you are spending in each currency, compare exchange rates, and plan your budget more efficiently. Unlike other travel cards that charge annual or monthly fees, YouTrip keeps costs low, making it an ideal companion for frequent and occasional travelers alike. The combination of competitive exchange rates, no hidden fees, multi-currency support, and real-time tracking ensures that every dollar you spend overseas stretches further. YouTrip transforms how travelers manage money abroad, providing a reliable, cost-effective, and user-friendly solution. By maximizing your spending power and minimizing conversion losses, YouTrip proves itself as the preferred choice for international travel.